Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Screencastify Chrome Extension to record your screen, create video and share your recording easily. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, you can search for Screencastify. Here you will see the first one is Screencastify Screen Video Recorder. Then click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. After installing, you will see the Screencastify in the Chrome toolbar. There, here you will see it will almost download complete. Now click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin to quick access. Now open the any screen, then click on the extension. Here you will see sign in. Click on the sign in option. You can sign in with Google, Microsoft or email address. So I will sign in with Google. So here you will see I will sign in with my Google account. Once the sign in complete, you can drive permission needed. Click on the then click on continue. This will assess your drive permission. Now you will see all set for your screen recording. Here you will see tell us about yourself. You can select like anything. Then roll. Then click on continue. Now you will see record a video. Let's get started. You can click on start recording. This tab full screen webcam only. Here you will see all the screen recording settings like edit, assessment, live streaming, quiz, submit, transform. You can see all the options. Next time, whenever you want to start screen recording, just simply click on the extension and then select setup microphone as full screen or webcam only. Then click on record to start recording. And that's it. So this is how you can use the Screencastify Chrome extension to record your screen easily. It is a great tool for making tutorials, work video, online classes and presentations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.